15 shocking benefits of drinking clove tea for a week. Did you know that something as simple as a daily cup of tea could potentially boost your immune system, help you lose weight, and even improve your skin? We're not talking about some fancy, expensive drink, but clove tea, a simple brew with surprising benefits. Cloves are the flower buds of the clove tree, an evergreen also known as Syzygium aromaticum. Cloves are harvested primarily in Indonesia, Madagascar, Zanzibar, India, and Pakistan. Cloves are available throughout the year owing to different harvest seasons across various countries. For years, people have been turning to clove tea for its potential health benefits. And in this video, we're diving deep into 15 of them. We'll explore the science behind these claims, separate fact from fiction, how to make clove tea, and see if drinking clove tea for a week can make a difference. We will also discuss the side effects of clove tea and who should not drink it. So, grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's explore the fascinating world of clove tea together. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another health trend? Trust me, I get it. It seems like every other day there's a new superfood or miracle cure. But here's the thing about clove tea. It's been around for centuries, used in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits. It's not about jumping on a fad, it's about exploring the potential of natural remedies. But first, here's how to make clove tea. For ingredients, you will need 1 cup of water. Use 2 or 3 whole cloves. Using whole cloves is preferable to ground cloves for a more intense flavor. Optional. Add ginger, honey, or lemon for added flavor. Instructions. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan or kettle. Once the water is boiling, add the cloves to the pot. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the cloves to infuse the water with flavor and beneficial oils. Remove the pot from the heat and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug to remove the cloves. If desired, add honey or lemon to taste. Sip and savor your warm clove tea. Bonus tips. You can adjust the number of cloves to your liking. Start with 1. 2 cloves and add more if you prefer a stronger flavor. Crush the cloves slightly before adding them to the water for a smoother tea. If you don't have whole cloves, use ground cloves, but use about 1/2 teaspoon per cup of water. Some people like to add other spices, such as cinnamon or ginger, to their clove tea. Feel free to experiment. We all know how important a strong immune system is, especially in today's world. Clove tea, with its rich antioxidant profile, might just be the boost your body needs. We'll be exploring its potential to fight off those pesky colds and keep you feeling your best. Let's talk digestion, something we all experience, and let's be real, it's not always pleasant. Bloating, indigestion, constipation, we've all been there. Clove tea has been traditionally used to ease digestive discomfort. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves can help stimulate digestive enzymes, potentially easing bloating and indigestion. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption of clove tea can have adverse effects. Like anything else, moderation is key. Closely monitor how your body reacts to clove tea throughout the week, keeping a close eye on any digestive changes, both positive and negative. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies. From joint pain to skin issues, it can manifest in various ways. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea is a valuable tool in managing inflammation. Studies suggest that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Now, I'm not saying clove tea is a magic cure, but it could be a valuable addition to a holistic approach to managing inflammation. Our liver works tirelessly to detoxify our bodies, and it really deserves all the support it can get. Clove tea, with its potential liver protective properties, might just be the support your liver needs. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. This is particularly relevant in today's world, where we're constantly exposed to environmental toxins. However, it's crucial to remember that clove tea is not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and limiting alcohol intake are still crucial for liver health. Clove tea is good for your oral health. A bright, healthy smile can boost your confidence and overall well-being. Clove tea, with its antibacterial properties, might just be your secret weapon for maintaining good oral hygiene. For centuries, cloves have been used to alleviate toothaches due to their natural numbing properties. The antibacterial properties of cloves may help combat bacteria that can lead to bad breath and gum disease. Now, I'm not saying you should ditch your toothbrush and toothpaste, but incorporating clove tea into your routine might provide an extra layer of protection. Clove tea regulate blood sugar. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. Clove tea has shown promise in helping regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively. This can help regulate blood sugar levels and potentially reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. However, it's essential to consult with your doctor before incorporating clove tea into your diet, especially if you're already on medication for diabetes. Can clove tea help you shed those extra pounds? Let's be real, weight loss is a topic that's often surrounded by hype and unrealistic promises. While clove tea is not a magic weight loss potion, it might play a supporting role in your weight loss journey. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help boost metabolism and promote feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. However, it's crucial to remember that clove tea alone won't magically melt away the pounds. Sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Clove tea can be a valuable addition to this holistic approach. Stress less. Can clove tea soothe your mind? In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both our mental and physical well-being. Clove tea, with its calming aroma and potential stress-relieving properties, might just be the relaxation ritual you need. The act of preparing and sipping a warm cup of tea can be incredibly soothing in itself. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may have calming effects on the nervous system, potentially reducing stress and anxiety. We'll be incorporating clove tea into our daily routines, paying close attention to its effects on our stress levels and overall mood. Clove tea for glowing skin. Fact or fiction? Who doesn't love the feeling of healthy, glowing skin? Clove tea, with its antioxidant and antibacterial properties, might just be your skin's new best friend. Antioxidants help protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. The antibacterial properties of cloves may help combat acne-causing bacteria. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of clove tea on skin health, incorporating it into your routine might provide an extra boost of antioxidants and antibacterial protection. Bacterial infections can be a real pain, literally. From ear infections to urinary tract infections, they can disrupt our lives and leave us feeling miserable. Clove tea, with its potent antibacterial properties, has been traditionally used to combat bacterial infections. Studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help inhibit the growth of certain types of bacteria. However, it's crucial to remember that clove tea is not a substitute for antibiotics prescribed by your doctor. If you suspect you have a bacterial infection, it's essential to seek professional medical advice. We'll be exploring the potential of clove tea in supporting our body's natural defenses against bacterial infections throughout the week. Breathing is something we often take for granted until it becomes labored and uncomfortable. Respiratory issues, from colds to allergies, can significantly impact our quality of life. Clove tea, with its soothing properties and potential to ease respiratory discomfort, might provide some relief. Traditionally, cloves have been used to alleviate coughs and congestion. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help open up the airways and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Maintaining strong bones is crucial for overall health and mobility, especially as we age. Clove tea, with its potential bone-strengthening properties, might be a valuable addition to your bone health regimen. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help improve bone density and strength. This is particularly relevant for individuals at risk of osteoporosis or those looking to maintain bone health as they age. However, it's essential to remember that clove tea is not a substitute for a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, weight-bearing exercises, and other bone-strengthening practices. Antioxidants are our body's first line of defense against damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Clove tea, with its rich antioxidant profile, might be a valuable source of these protective compounds. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and beverages, like clove tea, into our diets can contribute to overall health and well-being. We'll be exploring the antioxidant potential of clove tea throughout the week, sharing our insights and experiences. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies, supporting overall health and vitality. Clove tea, with its potential to improve circulation, might be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Some studies suggest that compounds in cloves may help improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. This can have positive implications for cardiovascular health. However, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before incorporating clove tea into your diet, especially if you're already on medication for blood pressure or other cardiovascular conditions. Sharing our experiences and any noticeable changes. We all experience those afternoon slumps when our energy levels plummet. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee, consider a cup of clove tea for a natural energy boost. Clove tea contains compounds that may help improve energy levels and combat fatigue. Unlike the jitters and crashes associated with caffeine, clove tea provides a more sustained and gentle energy boost. Clove tea may reduce stomach ulcers. Early studies offer intriguing hints that cloves may help combat stomach ulcers. Eugenol, a key compound in cloves, has shown promise in animal studies for treating these painful sores that can develop in the lining of the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine might provide the natural pick-me-up you need to power through your day. Clove tea is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, like many things, too much of a good thing can have unwanted effects. Here are some potential side effects of clove tea. Stomach upset. Drinking too much clove tea can sometimes cause gastrointestinal discomfort, leading to nausea, bloating, or abdominal pain. If you have a sensitive stomach, it may be worthwhile to think twice before drinking too much. Allergic reactions. Though uncommon, some people are allergic to cloves. Allergic reactions can range from mild skin irritation to more severe symptoms like difficulty breathing or facial and throat swelling. If you experience any signs of an allergic reaction, seek medical attention immediately. Mouth irritation. Cloves have a numbing effect, and in some cases drinking clove tea can cause irritation or soreness in the mouth and throat. Less common side effects. Increased risk of bleeding. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound that may slow blood clotting. This could increase the risk of bleeding, especially if you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medications. Liver damage. In rare cases, consuming very large amounts of cloves or clove oil has been linked to liver damage. This is more likely to occur with concentrated clove forms than tea. Drug interactions. Cloves may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and diabetes medications. It's important to talk to your doctor if you are taking any medications and are considering drinking clove tea regularly. Tips for minimizing side effects. Moderate consumption. Start with a small amount of clove tea and see how your body reacts. Be mindful of existing conditions. If you have a sensitive stomach, a bleeding disorder, diabetes, or are taking any medications, talk to your doctor before consuming clove tea. Discontinue use if you experience side effects. If you notice any adverse reactions, stop drinking clove tea and consult your doctor. It's important to note that these side effects are generally associated with consuming large amounts of cloves. Drinking a moderate amount of clove tea is unlikely to cause serious problems for most people. Remember, moderation is key with any herbal remedy. Always consult with your doctor before incorporating new herbs or supplements into your diet. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of clove tea, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you want to learn more about herbal remedies, be sure to check out my video on the 12 incredible benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. Doctors won't tell you, as well as the 8 reasons to drink ginger tea daily for amazing health benefits. You will find the links in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.